Oh, hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to clear cache on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's so easy. You have just to go to Settings, and after that, go to the search bar and search for Storage. iPhone storage. You have to choose this option, and of course for iPhones there is no direct app to clear cache. So for example, I will go to any app. I will go for example to Duolingo, and as you can see there is documents and data like almost 500 megabytes for this app. What you have to do is just click on offload app and confirm. And as you can see now, this like document and data, like things will be less on your phone. For now, it show me like 944 megabytes. And when the app will be installed again, this like document and data will be much less on your phone. Let me check again and check for Duolingo if it's installed or not yet. Let's wait just for a few seconds. Or in the case that the document and data will stay on your phone, you have just in this case to like uninstall this app. For example, I will show you, I will do it with Duolingo. I will go to the App Store and I will look for Duolingo. Here it's already installing now. Let's wait for it for a few seconds. Let me turn off the Wi-Fi and let it, as you can see, it's more fast now. It's already installed. Let's just wait for it for a few seconds and come back here to look. And let's look for Duolingo. And as you can see, so the documents and data stayed. So in this case, I will just delete the app and go back again and install it from here, from the App Store. It will just take few seconds. The problem that this one is the only solution to clear the cache on your iPhone, because like I told you, there is no direct app for iPhones to clear the cache. So it's supposed to be installed again. And now when we enter, as you can see, the document in data is only 16 kilobytes. So this is the best solution to clear the cache on iPhone with iOS 26. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the